Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. This video is going to be a review of the MelodySusie Silvia nail drill. I have never used a nail drill before, so this is going to be my first impressions as well as how easy it is for a first-time user to use. Here is the nail drill itself, and it is rather small, so it would be great for portability. So in this end is where you would plug it in, and on this end, this is where you would put the drill bit. It does come with a 3-foot cord, and at the end it is a USB cable, and it doesn't come with the adapter, so you will need to have one yourself. The cord to the nail drill itself is how you can control the nail drill. So there are two options. You can have it go forward and reverse, and then there is a little spinner wheel where you can control how fast it goes, and I do note that it can rotate up to 20,000 rotations per minute. The drill also comes with these 6 metal drill bits, and I honestly did not know what any of these were for, so I was really thankful that the drill also comes with a user manual, and this page shows you which each drill bit is for and kind of walks you through how to use it. You also get a bag of 20 sanding bands, and these attach to the man drill bit, and it just slides on just like this, and then you can slide them off as soon as you need a replacement. For the actual use of this drill for this video, I'm going to be doing a dip nail on my thumb so you can see how it works to do some cuticle work and for sanding down the dip nail. First, I'm using the cone bit to work on my cuticles, and you want to be very careful and make sure that you're only using the bit on your skin. You really don't want it to touch your natural nail. And now I will stop talking so you can hear how loud that the drill is, because it's actually very quiet and I was really impressed. I then used the safety bit to remove the excess cuticle skin. One thing I will say is that you probably would want to push down your drill bits just a little bit further if you're going to use them for a longer period of time. But what I found was that I was not able to get the drill bit out very easily at all when it was pushed down nearly all the way. So I know it doesn't look like it's in there very well, but it was pretty secure for what I was using it for. After I did 2 layers of dip powder and used some activator, I took the man drill bit with the sanding band and started to sand down a little bit of the dip nail to make sure that it had a really nice smooth surface before I applied top coat. I also wanted to use the small barrel tool to see how that one did as well, and I liked how I was able to get a little bit closer to the cuticle with the pointed end. Also, I forgot to mention, but every time I used this drill, I had it at the lowest drill setting, so it wasn't spinning like the fastest that it could, but it really certainly got the job done. In this next clip, I'm also going to show you how loud it was with the man drill bit on, but again, wasn't very loud. Here are the results before applying top coat, but you can see that the nail looks super smooth. A lot of times with dip powder, it can make your nails look thick, and that's not what I wanted. And then here's the nail with top coat, and again, it just looks so smooth and looks like I just have regular nail polish on instead of dip powder. And I will say that using the drill to file down the dip powder saved me a lot of time with the buffing and filing that I normally would have had to do by hand. With all that being said, this still was my first time using a nail drill, and I do have plans to have more practice with the nail drill and work with it a little bit more and feature it more on my channel, because I want to show you the best results that you can get. And overall, I was really impressed, and I thought it will definitely save me a lot of time when I'm doing dip nails. But I still need to educate myself a little bit more so that I'm protecting my natural nails and I don't accidentally damage anything. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this review was helpful. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!